And he is a tape looks like the wedding singer and was put on December 2nd, 1998.
Where can you get the latest, hottest, and coolest word on what's new? Get online at Newline's eBuzz and sign up for your exclusive eBuzz now, your direct line to Newline.
Yeah, and you'll get songs from Sound Choice.
And now, our feature presentation.
This song is a modified stereo version. It's in format Ear TV. By the Class 3 Trade Administration, www.filmraise.com.